Here is the single line diagram of 11 kV feeder from the area of Ravi Rayan subdivision Muridke. This diagram is consist of 106 nodes with the maximum load of 200 kVA and minimum load of 25 kVA. Four types of conductor codes are used in this diagram: OSP, RAB, GFR and DOG. In order to overcome the power losses, we use two techniques: reconducting and bifurcation. In reconducting, the low quality conductor is exchanged with the good quality. In this diagram, we will change the DOG conductor with the FGR mostly and somewhere with the RAB according to the need. The second technique is bifurcation. In bifurcation, the branch which is far away from the power grid, we give it connection to the power grid in order to overcome power losses, as the same role played by the bypass to reduce the traffic on road.
For high tension analysis, we are using the software FTRN. So here we go for high tension analysis. We are going to create new file. Now we are using the distance units, that is kilometer. We are gonna fill these columns from node to node: distance, kilometer, conductor code and kVA. At first we are going from node 0 to node 1. The distance between these node is 0.050 and the conductor code between these is OSP, and there is no load connected between these nodes. Now we are going from node 1 to node 2, and the distance between these nodes is 0.086, and again the conductor code using is OSP, and the load connected is 200.
Good. So we continued the same process up to our last node, and here is the our last node from 104 to 106 with the distance of 0.095 and the conductor code DOG along with the load 25 kVA.
Now for the result of the analysis, we will go for high tension analysis. Use existing file, and here we give the name of our file. Now we will go for the proceed for analysis. Here feeder load data, current ampere is 200, bus voltage 11, for factor 80, load factor 60%. Steady with growth, yes, it's 13% growth rate, and number of years are 5. And we want to install new capacitor, so we will go for no. Display results, and here are the results of our analysis, and for system summary we will press S, and here it is the system summary. Now for the reconduction we will go to high tension analysis. Use existing file, give the name of the file. Now we will go to the reconducting, and here we choose the nodes. Choose the node. On this window, we will give the information about desired nodes on which we want to change the conductors. For example, from 3 to 4, the new conductor type is DOG. We change the GFR, and yes. So the same step will be repeated for all the desired conductors to be changed. So here is the our last node which we want to change conductor, which is from 100 to 101, and the new conductor which are changing is rabbit. Now for the result of reconducting, we will go for proceed for analysis. This will also go as same as we done it. Study with growth, yes, 13%, and 5 Yes. Yes. So here is the result of the reconducting, and for system summary we will go for this. This is the system summary.
We enter all our data for bifractioning and then we proceed for its analysis. This data remains same and we enter yes for growth. We enter 13% and for 5 year. Where here we don't want to add any capacitor. We enter no and this is our display result option. This is our final result of bifractioning and here is summary.